the truth.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna do this look that you see on my face, and I'm gonna be trying this palette today. I swatched it but never tried it on my eyes yet. Today we're gonna be doing this together. This is the palette that I created this look with, obviously, and if you want to see what I think about this palette and how I did this look, you should continue watching. Okay, so my face is already moisturized and I'm gonna start by applying a couple of primers, something that I already did in a couple of videos, and today I want to try to put 3. It's the same AOA primers that I used in my previous videos. So today I have the color correcting primer, the porless primer, and the mattifying primer. So now I'm gonna try something that I didn't try yet, and this is the LA Girl Pro BB Cream High Definition Beauty Balm. This is in the color Light, and we're gonna try it and see if it covers something, because I definitely need to cover a lot. And let's just try it. And I almost forgot to say that I'm gonna be using the AOA Studio Beauty Sponge, Wonder Sponge? I don't remember how it's called. It feels the same way as the original one, but it's got this flat side. It's very useful to put powders on, and in general, it's very nice. I really like it.
I'm sorry if you hear any noises around me. That's my cat, Chris. He's going crazy today. And he's just driving me crazy too.
I'm just gonna try this with this and we'll see how it goes. Okay, it's actually covering stuff. I like it. Okay, so far so good, but I should say that the BB cream is oxidizing a little bit and it's becoming darker. I think it's pretty fine. Since it's a BB cream. Almost all BB creams change their color a little bit because of the SPF in them and all those stuff, so it's okay, and I can actually work with this. It covered a little bit of my redness, but not all of it, a little bit. As you can see, I still have spots. It made my skin a little bit more smooth looking, I don't know. Okay, let's move on to the concealer. I'm gonna use actually the usual. I've been loving this concealer lately, and this is the Essence Camouflage Full Coverage Concealer, and it's in the shade 10 Nude. Yeah, that's much better, and as you can see, I put a little bit of the leftovers of the concealer on the sponge. I took that and put on my lids to cover a little bit of the pigmentation, and now we're gonna move on to powder. And today I'm gonna be using the AIRSPUN Loose Face Powder. I've been in love with this since I got it in the mail, and I'm still using it. It's in the shade Translucent. And I'm using the same sponge. This will give me the best application. It will smooth out my skin even more. And oh my god, what happened to the lighting?
I don't understand what's happening. Why am I gray? All of a sudden, I'm gray. Okay, yeah. Now I'm orange? Okay, I can live with that.
So now I'm gonna bronze and highlight my face by using this face palette by H&M. This one. I actually like it. It's very subtle and the pigmentation is not too crazy. You should know that it looks way more pigmented on the camera. In person, it doesn't look so crazy. I don't know why. Now I'm gonna put on my brows. I'm saying put on my brows just because I almost don't have any and I have to draw them on from scratch. So I'm gonna be using the Studio Pro by BH Cosmetics waterproof brow pomade in the shade medium. As I always do, I'm actually so hooked up on this product. I can't stop using it. I'm using it almost every time I put on my makeup because it's exactly my shade of brows. So, I guess I'm done with the brows and now we're gonna move on to the eye makeup. I wanna try and use this palette. This is the Studio Pro Dual Effect Wet and Dry Eyeshadow palette. It has a lot of those gemstone shades. I hope you can see it because my light is reflecting. Okay, they're all shimmery and I have to get something for the transition shade. I guess I'll be using the palette that I made for myself. This is the Essence My Must-Haves and I have this color here. It's in the shade 07 Mauvie-time. This is so convenient. It's so good that they have this thing that you can change them and you can pull them out. So this is great.
Okay. So now, wow. These colors are beautiful and I don't know where to start. Give me a sign or something. I don't know what to do. These are all so beautiful.
I think I'm gonna go with something warm just because the face palette from H&M made my skin looking a little bit more bronzed. I'm gonna go with something more bronzed just to match. I'm gonna do something with those colors in the middle. We'll just see how it goes. So with the same fluffy brush, I'm gonna be taking this orange shade and I'm gonna be putting this in my crease and blending it up and down all over the place. Actually, I'm gonna make this color as a base for the whole other colors. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking this darker color on a smaller fluffy brush and I'm gonna put it in my outer corners. So, as you can see, I put a little bit of the same shade on my lower lash line on the outer corners. And now I'm gonna be moving to
this shade. Yeah, this shade. And wait, I want to see how they look on my hand. Oh my god, this one is gorgeous. It's actually pink, but it has this golden reflex, and I just die for this color.
Okay, you know what? I'm gonna go with the lighter one. I'm gonna put it in the middle of my eyelid, create a halo highlighted effect on my eye, and I'm just gonna use my finger. I'm a little bit in shock because this is a dry eyeshadow. I didn't wet my finger, nothing. This is the color dry. It's the same thing that's on my finger, and oh my god, this is beautiful. It's really pigmented. I want to add this darker color in my inner corners also a little bit, just to make it even more like a halo eye. Just gonna take off a little bit of the fallout that I have under my eyes. So I think you can see for yourself that those eyeshadows are awesome. They're really pigmented and you don't have to wet them to make them shine, because you clearly can see them very well. And I didn't do much, like it blended really nicely and the colors are so beautiful. So now I'm gonna just put on my eyeliner, and I'm gonna be using the BH Studio Pro eyeliner in the shade Onix. It's just a black eyeliner. As you can see, I put the same eyeliner on my lower lash line.
Oh my god, I was trying to open this palette from the other side. Okay, I almost broke it.
So now I'm gonna take a very small brush and the darkest color that I used, and I'm gonna smudge it with this color. Now I'm gonna take the lightest color that I used and put it in my inner corners. I'm just gonna put on my mascara, curl my lashes, then put on my mascara, and the eye look is done. And today I'm gonna be using the Vertige Volume by Yves Rocher. So, this is the finished eye look, and I think it looks beautiful. To finish up this look, I'm just gonna put on some lip balm. This is by Labios. If you know this brand, we have it here in Israel. I don't know where you live, so tell me if you have this one. It's like the dupe of the EOS. I think it's called EOS. And this one has the smell and the taste of coffee with cream, and I love it. I actually really love to put those kind of lip balms with something big on my eyes, like when I have a really colorful big eye look that I wanted to stand out, I just put some lip balm. And this one doesn't have any glossy look to it. It looks matte, but it's really moisturizing, and the smell is Yeah guys, this is it for today, and what I wanted to say is that this eyeshadow palette is awesome. The pigmentation is great, but with the pigmentation comes a little bit of a fallout, if you know what I mean. But if you powder the under eye area, then it's okay, and you just can take it off with a brush and few little strokes, and the colors are beautiful. It's a shame that they are all shimmery, but yet again it's a pro palette, like a pro palette, professional palette. I don't know how to call it, but I really liked working with this. I suggest you trying it because the pigmentation, the quality is there, the price is really low, and I really liked it. The color range is beautiful. And as you saw, it's looking really good even without wetting your brush. It's really sweet. So that's it, guys. If you like this look, then give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my next videos. I hope you're having a great day, and we will see each other in the next one. Bye, guys.
The truth.